Nah, it's round 3.
Ugh.
That health did us a whole lot of good.
Mm-hmm. Need this.
You know why it's 40k? It's because it's a warhammer. Are you trying to hit me with the hammer? That took away my life. I
Huh?
think that hurt me.
And do another health upgrade. Or sprint speed upgrade.
Why is a baseball bat 45k?
You can do a range update.
Look at this. Look
What?
at this.
Mini cart?
It's a pocket card. Wee. You put me in the bathroom? Are we actually in the bathroom? Oh. 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 No. 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 Yeah, we could do a health upgrade.
Is it gonna do stamina? Or range? Range is another one that has to. You get more range when you pick up things.
Ah. Alright.
Put a bomb in here.
Because I was gonna put a bomb. What do we get? Stamina, health, health.
Tumble on. Fucking duck out of here.
Where's my duck?
Eh,
Look, get out.
eh, eh.
To the ceiling. Isn't there a panel here that you can go in?
Yeah.
There's always a panel somewhere you can go into.
Leaving.
You're gonna kill me?
Oh. Where's the other one at?
You have 2 stamina, 2 health and 1 stamina, right?
Yep.
Nice. Cover me. Cover me. Oh, it's the Sydney Opera House.
Oh. Oh, is this a new one?
It might be.
No, it's only 2. Let's just say we make it. 1700?
No, it's 17,000.
What's 1,000?
Oh, look at that. It's a man driving a car. Hours. Oh, look at that. That's not haunting at all. Oh. What is that?
What?
It's a laser beam, be careful.
Oh, look. There's the people.
Yeah. Look on the hallway. Yeah, laser beam.
What? Walk straight into it?
Okay. This Museum of Art is full of art. Huh?
Look at this. 19,000!
How are we gonna get that into the thing? We almost should just carry it.
You think we can? Let's see.
Oh,
Oh,
let's try to put it in. I don't even think we can lift this.
I think we might have to drag it. Ooh.
Okay. Oh.
Oh. Hello?
Oh, I let go of it. Okay. Okay. Oh. You're good. You're good. You're good. I think it's this way. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh.
We need to push it more on there. Okay.
Oh.
I got it. Straight. Oh, alright.
Yeah. Never mind.
What the hell is that? The gnomes! Get the gnomes! I'm carrying something in the gnomes!
Something too. Here, bitch it. I got them.
Is there something else coming?
Oh. What? Did you see something?
Go behind you. Yep. There's something there.
What is that? I don't know. Where's our key?
Oh, it's that way. Go this way. More money! You see if we can lure it into the laser beam?
Huh?
You think we could lure it into the laser beam?
I don't know. Maybe.
The only way to go is where that thing is. What?
Where's supposed to go? Oh, yeah.
Shh. There's a big egg right there.
Oh, what's that, dude?
Okay, you go over there and we'll try to lure it. I think he's going towards you. Whoop. He's going towards you. Okay, keep going. You still near him? Oh.
Why? I didn't. How'd you die?
I didn't think you sucked me in again.
Oh.
Why does it have to always be lasers? Laser beam.
Oh, I found it. Oh yeah, I'm way past that. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the hell is that?
I think it's a bomb. If you pick it up, it explodes. Or it does that.
Oh shoot, where's your head at?
Oh, back at the beginning.
Very beginning?
Yeah.
Oh. I might go get it.
We'll put the cart near the thing and then go get it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I can go get you. Oh shit, over here. Oh god damn it! No, 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 no! I have no stamina. Got you, boo. Pookie.
Thanks, boo boo. Now, do you remember how to get back?
Shit. Get this way? Okay.
So I can't cheat for you.
Hmm?
I am the strong hand is approach.
Aliens, let's go!
Come here. Come here.
I did have a mail. Let's go. Thank you.
Oh, no. I know.
Careful, he'll suck you in and hit you. Oh, those are bombs. Those are bombs.
There's still one more.
Oh,
Go, 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 go!
go! I don't have any stamina! No! No!
Fuck. Go, 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 go! Almost there. Almost there. More gnomes. More gnomes. More bombs. Oh my god. Lucky.
Even more bombs. Come on.
You good? Oh. Fuck. Shit. Oh no. I get lost. Shit. Oh, god damn it. I went the wrong way. Oh, these bombs. Alright. Pookie. Got you. You were literally right there.
I died to try to. Hit the button!
Oh, I got it.
Jesus.
Yeah.
You've been the savior of Lodi.
Huh?
You saved him like 3 times.
I think I'm a little better at this game.